Jane's How To.
Hi guys, today we're making cake pop. Today is my mom's birthday, so we made a cake and we have leftover. We decided to make a cake pop. So let's get started. We're gonna crumble the leftover cake. We're gonna put a little bit of icing so then we could make it into a ball shape. Mix it. Make it into a ball shape. So I'm gonna get one of them. Now it's time to put in the freezer for 20 minutes. First, we're going to put the stick into the bowl. Now we're going to dip it leftover frosting. Now we're going to dip it in the sprinkles. It was so good. I love cake pops. You should try it at home. Bye, guys.